Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage kitchen decoration is a charming style that brings the warmth, nostalgia and timeless beauty of past decades into your kitchen space. They focuses on creating a cozy, lived-in feel with retro details, antique accents, and classic color schemes. Here are some tips for it. Key features: retro color palette, soft pastels, mint green, pale yellow, baby blue, cream, or blush pink, or bold retro tones, red and white. Antique furniture and fixtures, wooden or enamel tables, old-fashioned cabinets, farmhouse sinks, and open shelving for displaying dishes. Vintage accessories, retro sinks, tin containers, glass jars, floral curtains, vegetable cloths, and old-style kitchen tools. Classic patterns, gingham, polka dots, or floral prints used in fabrics, wallpapers, and curtains. Rustic touches, distressed finishes, weathered wood, and hand-painted details to give an aged, homely look. Display of collectibles, teacups, ceramic bowls, antique cookware, or retro appliances like old mixers or toasters. Tips for creating a vintage kitchen look. Use open shelves to show off your vintage dishware. Mix old and new. Modern appliances can still fit if they have a retro design. Add soft lighting with pendant lamps or enamel fixtures. Incorporate floral or lace details in curtains or table runners. Hang framed vintage prints or receipt cards on the wall. Add retro kitchenware. Display old enamel bowls, vintage kettles, cast iron pans, or floral pattern dishes. These instantly bring that vintage warmth. Use vintage inspired fabrics. Choose gingham, floral, or lace fabrics for curtains, seat cushions, or tablecloths. These small touches make a big difference. Repurpose old furniture. Turn an old dresser or cabinet into kitchen storage. A weathered look adds authentic vintage style. Hang vintage wall decor. Old clocks, metal sinks, framed receipt cards, or chalkboards can fill empty wall spaces beautifully. Choose warm lighting. Opt for soft, warm light bulbs with pendant or lantern style fixtures. Thank you so much for watching this video.